Alright, this is a full guide on how you change your oil on your KX250F. This applies for all years. This video is going to be really short and sweet, no bullshit. This is everything you're going to need. Your oil, obviously. I'm just using 10W40 full synthetic. Your measuring jug. Your 14mm on a socket. I'll change the measurements for Americans. Your 8mm on the socket. Funnel. And about the oil filter, I'm just using a genuine Kawasaki one. When you get your drain pan, slide underneath. I can feel the bulb coming out. Shit. Oh. Look how black that oil is. Hold on, let me get a better look. That is some dark oil. Pretty much all the oil's out. Just waiting for that last tiny bit to drip out. And we'll put the bolt back in. One thing I just noticed, this bolt did not have a copper washer. Alright, I could not find a brand new one, but this will just have to do the job. That's right. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, next is our oil filter. Do not do what I just did. Look at the mess I made. I'm just going to be using a magnet to get this out. I'm going to be using 2 magnets to get this out. No. There we go. That was annoying. Well, at least from what I can see, no metal shavings or anything weird. Alright, now, this is our oil filter, okay? I'm gonna pull this thing out. Here it is. Installing the filter backwards, no oil flow, and yeah, your engine is done for. Do not do that. Make sure the bit with no rubber piece is facing towards you like this. See? Like that. Once again, I'm not even using a torque wrench. I'm just torquing it purely off by hand, just until it reaches that point where, yeah, like that biting point. Yeah, that's right. Alright, I'm pretty sure I know why you came to this video. You want to see how much oil you need to put in. You need 900 milliliters specifically. That's about 0.95 quarts for Americans. Alright, oil's going in. I'm not going to spill this. Just like that, no spills. Perfect. Alright, let's start this thing up. Shit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Please drop a sub.